Hello everyone, this is Vivian from Wenzhou Jinzheng. Factory is one of the professional manufacturer and exporter for different kinds of LED warning lights, LED beacons, LED dash lights, and speakers, silence all over the world. Our lights used for the fire truck, police car, and some special vehicles. We have more than 70 years experience on export and manufacturing the LED warning lights. So in fact, we have hundreds of products now. Today, I will show you one of our dash lights for you. See this one. Yes, this is one of our dash light. The length for this one is about 49 cm. And the width, you can see, this is 6.5 cm. And the heat, you can see here, this part is about 4.65 cm. And this one consists of 4 sets of the LED modulars. Each LED modular with 4 pieces of LED lamps, and each lamp with 3 watts. You can see. In fact, besides these lights, you can custom other types. You can add two sets one time. So you can this one. This one with 6. The length of this is 33. The other are same as this one. Now I will light up this short one for you to check how brightness it is. You see, it's very bright. We can't see this straihtly, so I just put down like this. You see? You see? It's very bright. Each LED modular with 12 volts. For this one, you can see the color is amber color. You can also customize like red color, blue color, white color, or other color. Also door color. This one we have door color now. It's new product. Like red, blue, ginger to white, or amber, all can do. Okay. Now in the following video, I will show you some feedback videos from our customer to show when they install this dash lights in their vehicles to see the flash effect. Thank you so much for watching today.